नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Sri Mahants, Mahants, Tanedar, Kotari, Sarvangapita Yajamans, everyone sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV and two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I'll continue with the Upanishad, Kenopanishad Shanti Mantra. Listen, recite the mantra along with me. Om Apyayantu mamangani Vak pranaha Chakshusrotraha Matho balamindriyani cha Sarvani Sarvam Brahmaupanishatam Maham Brahma Nirakuryam Mama Brahma Nirakarut Aniragaranamastvam Nirakaranam me astu Tatatmani Nirateya Upanishatsu Dharmaste Mayi Santu Te Mayi Santu Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Anirakaranamastu Anirakaranam me astu Tatatmani Nirateya Upanishatsu Dharmaste Mayi Santu. May all the sacred truths declared by Upanishads be fully manifest and radiate in me, who am integrated and authentically devoted to knowing and experiencing that truth. Atma, the Self. May they manifest and radiate in me. Mayi Santu, Te Mayi Santu. The declaration, Shanti Mantra. Actually, this verse should not be translated as peace prayer. It should be translated as peace declaration. Understand? Here, nobody is praying to anybody. No God is presupposed. No bargain is in the existence. No business deal is in existence. There will always be some said, unsaid understandings. If you believe in certain things, certain actions will manifest from you, it's 100% sure. I've always seen people who do not commit and take responsibility. I can see very clearly they make fun of our whole lifestyle. Anybody who believes the lifestyle we live in our Sangha, who loves the lifestyle, who believes the lifestyle, I have always seen they take the responsibility. They fall in love with the responsibility and active lifestyle. And I have also seen people cooking up their own reasons not to get involved and not to take responsibility. Starts from varied reasons. What they need to, they are masters in finding reasons. Starts from headache to my kid is too small. But I've always seen people who do not take the responsibility, do not get involved, do not love me or the lifestyle I am teaching. When you love, you can't keep quiet. When you fall in love with somebody, you will just radiate their lifestyle, their thought current. You will just manifest them. Some of the basic understandings, said, unsaid, have their own impact in your actions and inactions. Understand? Some of them are said, some of them are unsaid, but they decide the way you act or don't act. The way you act or don't act. Here, in this whole declaration, in this whole Shanti Mantra, nowhere, said or unsaid way, even as the inference, nowhere anybody is praying to anybody. Nobody is praying here. So we should not translate this as peace prayer. One of the worst crime committed against the whole humanity is translating the Hindu scriptures without the context, purposefully, willfully, to misrepresent and manipulate. And using it to attack us, abuse us, and building a wrong inner image about us. This is not peace prayer. This is peace declaration. Hinduism is authentically tradition of peace. Our concept of generating wealth is peace-based. Even our concept of conflict resolutions are based on peace. Even our wars have so many rules and regulations where only the valor is tested and established. Wasting human life or brutal massacre was never allowed. Understand? There is so much. So much peace-centered tradition, authentically, not just verbally. Because Hindu tradition is authentically peace-centered, they know the secret. Peace starts from putting all your pieces together, integrity. Putting all your pieces together is the first step of peace. So it starts with Apyayantu mamangani vakpranachakshuhu Shrotramato balamindriyani cha sarvani sarvam brahmaopanishatam maham brahma nirakuryam mama brahma nirakarot anirakaranamastu anirakaranam me astu tatatmani nirateya upanishatsu dharmaste mayi santu te mayi santu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. If you see the whole declaration together, you can see first integrating yourself. Apyayantu mamangani vakprana chakshu shrotramato balamindriyani cha sarvani. I am Sadashiva. Let my limbs, speech, prana, eyes, hearing, everything be fully matured and enriched. All is Brahman. Consciousness that is revealed in the Upanishads. Sarvam Brahmopanishatam. May I never deny the existence of Brahman, the Sadashiva. May I never have incompletion with Brahman, Sada Shiva. Consciousness, which is Sada Shiva. May Brahman never deny me or withdraw its grace from me. Let there be no separation. Let me have completion with the ultimate consciousness, Sada Shiva. Let the Brahman be complete with me, so be it. May all the Dharma, the sacred truths declared by Upanishads, it is not just truths, powers also. Sacred truths, sacred experiences, sacred sentiments, sacred powers. When the sacred truths manifest through the intellect, head, they are called sacred experiences. When that sacred truths manifest through the heart, emotion, emotional current, it's called sacred sentiments. When the sacred truths manifest through your being, it is called sacred powers. Let the sacred truths manifest as sacred experiences, sacred sentiments and sacred powers fully manifest and radiate in me, who am integrated and authentically devoted to knowing and experiencing the truth, Atma, the Self. Tatatmani nirateya Upanishatsu dharmaste. May they manifest and radiate in me. Mayi santu, te mayi santu. Keep this as your declaration today. This is one of the most powerful declaration to manifest all the experiences, sentiments, powers of oneness. Experience of oneness is Shastra. Sentiments from the oneness is Stotra. Powers from the oneness is described as Sutras in Hindu tradition. Experiences of oneness is expressed as Shastra. Experiences of the oneness is expressed as Shastra. Sentiments of oneness is expressed as Stotras. Powers of the oneness is described as Sutras. This is one of the most powerful declaration. Make this as your practice to manifest powers. Please understand. If you are my disciple, you don't need any spiritual practice. You only need to manifest all the seeds I have put inside you. The feeling connection you cherish has tremendous impact over you. Please understand. If you feel connected to a yoga teacher, naturally he will have so much of impact on you, you will have health. He will somehow make you do yoga. He will somehow make you bend. again and again by talking or whatever, he will make you do yoga and you will have health. If you are feeling connection with a teacher who teaches you stotras and bhajans, kirtans, somehow he will make you feel the devotion. Because constantly he will be sharing his thought current and he will do it. So with whom you entertain feeling connection matters. Be careful about to whom you are opening your heart. And when you find the right person, don't wait to open your being. The moment you know the right person is in front, don't just grasp, just grab. Grasping is too decent word. When you know the right person is in front, don't be too decent. Be raw. Just grab. Otherwise, you may be wasting your life in the name of decency. Understand to whom you open your being and feel connected is very important. The moment you decide to be my disciple, decide to entertain feeling connection with me, cherish your bhakti towards me, understand I have put the whole science of oneness in the complete seed form inside you. You do not need any spiritual practice to achieve them. You just have to declare to start manifesting them. You just need to declare and allow them to manifest in your life, in your situations, every day, again and again. I tell you, when you declare and start manifesting, even the intelligence you require for further manifestation, I'll send it along with you. Along with it. You don't have to think to build 20-inch biceps, I have to lift 20 kg. In each hand, I can lift only 2 kg. How will I lift 20 kg and build the biceps? No. Start with 2 kg. That strength which you develop with 2 will take care of you lifting 5. The strength you develop further will take care of you lifting 10. Start declaring Sadashivoham and manifesting whichever stage you are in. When you start declaring, manifesting, you will have intelligence to manifest higher and higher things. We always have a problem. Oh, Swamiji just declares and stops even nature, plays with the nature. I am not even able to stop my tears. How will I stop the rain? That is the way people start developing the idea. No. Start with your tears. Start the declarations to stop your tears. When that starts happening, becoming reality, you will have the strength and knowledge. More and more secrets getting revealed, then you will be able to move to the next. I tell you, this is my commandment to my disciples and followers. Thou shalt not do any spiritual practice. If you are my disciple and you doing some spiritual practice, it is disrespect to me. Let the spiritual practices be done by the disciples of gurus, not mine. Manifest, declare and manifest. This is not just royal secret or divine secret. This is not just Rajaguhya or Deva Rahasya. It is Mahadeva Rahasya. I tell you, there is nothing between you and Sadashiva other than your stupid self-doubt. Declaration is the most powerful way to burn the self-doubt. And anything else will be strengthening your self-doubt, self-hatred, self-denial. Declaration and manifesting. Just tell yourself and the universe, which is you, which is your extension. I am Sadashiva. This is the way I want my life to be. Manifest. I tell you, when you declare this, universe responds with tremendous sincerity. Don't think when you declare this, universe is out there laughing at you, making fun of you, which you always do it towards you. You always do it towards you. One part of you wants to be hero, the other part of you already laughs at you. For your face, hero? Not only you will not be villain, you will not even be a comedian. No, one part of you goes on, mocks at you, and you are very happy with that tug of war, because you feel you exist, your identity is alive only in this war. And you find some stupid fellow who resonates with your own self-doubt and call that person as your great teacher, educator. Any education strengthens your self-doubt. Burn it. Burn as early as possible. There is nothing between you and Sadashiva other than your self-doubt. Declaration. Declare to yourself again and again. Decide to manifest. I am Sadashiva, and this is the way I want my life to be. Declare again and again and again. Stand with it. Other than your intention to be, nothing else is a reality. You are just your intention to be. Any other physiological, psychological, neurological ups and downs are not you, they are not reality. Declare powerfully. Anything else other than your declaration, physiological, psychological, neurological ups and downs, will just disappear from existence itself, not just from your existence. They will disappear from the very existence itself. First and foremost lesson, first and foremost truth you need to know is declaration of your will, the straight method to manifest powers. Today, start with this declaration. This whole Shantipata is the declaration of Sadashiva manifesting through you. Make this declaration. Start manifesting. This is the one and only way you will manifest all the powers Sadashiva has initiated you in Shuddhadvaitam. The Adi Shaiva tradition, the original Shaivite tradition, the source Shaivite tradition. No spiritual practice is given the importance of declaration, declaring and manifesting, initiation by an enlightened guru, and then straight manifesting it. Straight manifesting it. Start the declaration and manifestation. In the further satsangs, I'll share more and more of Mahadeva Rahasyas, secret of the secret of the secret. Secrets of Sadashiva himself, which makes you his secret life partner. I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living, Shuddhadvaita Saivam, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.